The disengagement process between India and China in eastern Ladakh has been completed in PANGONG, according to media reports. India and China will discuss disengagement from other friction points after pulling back troops and equipment from both northern and southern banks of PANGONG, Army sources said. The 10th round of talks between military commanders of India and China will be held tomorrow to discuss disengagement in other friction points of Gogra and Hot Springs. The Indian Army had earlier released videos and photos showing thinning down of troops and dismantling of bunkers, camps by the Chinese military in the areas around the Pangong Lake in eastern Ladakh, in line with the agreed disengagement process between the two sides. The visuals showed the Chinese People's Liberation Army (PLA) using a bulldozer to flatten structures and vehicles with troops and equipment preparing to retreat to rear bases. The first state-level 7-a-side football tournament MCS Trophy for the category of 35.5 kg kicked off today. A total of 35 teams are participating in the tournament. HIFAB thrashed KYFA Kwarangay by 1-0 in the first match today. Manipur film actor RK Sumendro Kaiku, who attended the opening ceremony, said that one should encourage the young sports lovers and that parents should respect the choices and interests of their children. During the 0 hour in the assembly, Patsoy MLA AK Mirabai drew the attention of the House Leader and Chief Minister Biren to the crowds at 3 Kwaraman Imam markets who failed to wear masks. Loading and reopening of the markets, Mirabai added that the shoppers at these markets must be monitored so that they follow the COVID-19 SOP to avoid further spreading of the disease. Temporary Mao Market, which had remained shut for months due to COVID-19, was reopened today. Several Mao Market vendors, mostly women today, started selling their items near Palace Compound opposite All India Radio Office in Imphal East since early morning. Hundreds of buyers from various parts of Imphal came to purchase food items and flower vests from the temporary market. AFC APUNBA Fitness Center, Porompat conducted a cleanliness drive and plantation campaign at an old-age home at MONGSANGEI. The campaign was conducted commemorating the death ceremony of Koizam Ombisana Devi. Speaking at the event, AFC Porompat manager Radhakrishna Ngairangbam, besides being physically and mentally fit, it is important to be socially fit. Radhakrishna added that the event hopes to give awareness on social responsibilities. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio said that his government will soon review the high prices of petrol and diesel in the state, while claiming that the authorities in poll-bound Assam have reduced tax rates of fuel with political intention. The CM said that the base price of petrol and diesel is more in Nagaland than that in several other states of the northeastern region. Replying to query on the high rate of petrol and diesel in Nagaland, while Meghalaya and Assam have slashed taxes on fuel, thus reducing the retail price. Rio said that Assam is going to face election and its government lowered the fuel price with political intention.